Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can block unwanted FaceTime audio calls or video calls on the iPhone 15 series. So first let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now there are a few different ways how you can do this. The first method is to go into settings, and in settings you scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Block Contacts. In here, tap on Add New and then go down the list and select a contact that you would like to block. So for example, this one right here, FaceTime call, and then I have added in here, David or FaceTime call. So that is how you can block it. Another way to unblock it is open up your FaceTime app. So here I've got FaceTime. I'm going to open it up and then I go down the list here and then select a code I want to block. So for example, this person here call me, but I don't want to receive calls from them. So I can tap on information button. So tap on the I button there and then we scroll down and tap on block this caller. So tap on block this caller, then tap on block contact, and that's it. So now they are blocked from being able to call me from now on. And if you go into settings and in the list here, you can see that particular contact has been added to the block list. So that is how you can block them. If later on you change your mind and you want to unblock them, you can tap on edit at the top here, then tap on the remove button, then tap on unblock to remove them from the block list. Or you can just simply swipe across like this and then tap on unblock. So that is another way how you can quickly unblock it. Basically that's how you can easily block unwanted FaceTime audio calls or video calls on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.